Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove image background without Photoshop or any other software. As you see, this is a before and after image. The background is removed from this image to this image. And we can add different background and make your picture more realistic. In this picture, the girl is standing the plain background. I have changed the different kind of background to make my picture more realistic. Let's see how to do. This is a sample image. I would like to demonstrate on that. Browse Google, remove BG. It will direct you to remove.bg. This is an official website. This is a free website. We can able to upload the image and remove the background. Now I am going to upload the image or drag and drop the image. I just click upload image and I can choose whatever image I want. My sample image, I select the image and click open. Yes, this is the original and removed background. So easy step, drag and drop. So original image and background image is removed. I just click download. Automatically your background image removed picture will download in your computer. Yes, so this is an easy way you can able to remove your background. And again I would like to remove one more background. Just select the image and drag and drop in your website. It will take 1 second to remove your background. Just click download. Yes, my images is downloaded. Without any software I can able to remove my background. Now I would like to add the background image for make my image more realistic. Open your PowerPoint software, just make a blank layout and just to copy, Ctrl C for copy the image and you can paste it, Ctrl V for paste the image. So this is my background image. You can arrange according to your image size and take the background removed image. Just select and copy and paste. If you want to crop the image, just double click. You have a crop option. Just click here and crop your background. Yes, I have cropped. Just keep it wherever you want. So this is an easy way you can make your image with the realistic model. Now I would like to save the image as a JPG. Go to file menu, save as, click browse and choose the file location and select the save as type as a JPG file interchange format and select final. Give the file name, just click save. All slides are just this one. Just click just this one. You can able to see the output. Yes. So this is the output. Now I would like to add one more background. Just select which background you want. Copy the background and paste it in PowerPoint and make a large according to your image and copy the background removed image, paste behind the picture and enlarge your image size. Yes, if you want to add more image, you can select copy and paste. Yes. So this is the easiest way you can remove the background, you can change the background, make your picture more realistic. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.